2025 Mahindra XUV3 XO is a game-changing upgrade to the outgoing XUV300, reimagined with a bold new identity that blends modern styling, cutting-edge technology, and strong performance credentials into a compact SUV that feels anything but entry-level. At first glance, the 3XO's striking exterior commands attention with a completely redesigned front fascia featuring an expansive gloss black grille, sleek C-shaped LED daytime running lamps, sharper projector headlamps, and a more muscular bumper design that gives it a commanding SUV presence. The bonnet is sculpted with strong character lines, while the side profile is highlighted by new 17-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels, functional roof rails, and flared wheel arches that hint at its robust underpinnings. The rear is equally dramatic, with connected LED taillamps, a full-width light bar, a sporty dual-tone bumper, and a roof-mounted spoiler that add a premium and futuristic touch. Step inside and the transformation continues, with Mahindra upping the ante significantly in terms of interior quality and features. There's a large 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system powered by Adreno X with connected car features, Alexa voice integration, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a fully digital instrument cluster, dual-zone automatic climate control, rear AC vents, a wireless charging pad, and even ventilated front seats on higher trims. The cabin design is modern and thoughtfully laid out with a new dashboard layout, soft-touch materials, ambient lighting, and a premium sound system by Harman Kardon that enhances the overall cabin experience. Mechanically, the XUV3 XO retains its reputation for performance with 3 engine options, a 1.2-liter turbo-petrol engine producing 110 PS, a more powerful direct-injection 1.2-liter TGD engine that churns out 130 PS and 230 Nm of torque, and a fuel-efficient 1.5-liter diesel that continues to appeal to long-distance commuters. These engines are available with either a 6-speed manual or a new 6-speed torque converter automatic transmission sourced from Aisin, offering smoother and more responsive shifts. The TurboSport variant, equipped with the TGD engine, claims a 0 to 100 km/h time of under 10 seconds, putting it at the top of the performance chart in its class. The ride and handling have also been fine-tuned for better comfort and control, with a well-balanced suspension setup that absorbs bad roads effortlessly while maintaining stability at high speeds. On the safety front, Mahindra hasn't cut corners. 6 airbags are standard, along with ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, a 360-degree camera, hill start assist, ISOFIX mounts, and level to ADAS features on top variants, making it one of the most secure vehicles in its segment. Built on the same global NCAP 5-star rated platform as the XUV300, the XUV3 XO benefits from structural reinforcements for even better safety compliance and durability. Practicality has been improved too, with boot space now increased to a usable 295 liters and smart storage solutions throughout the cabin. All these enhancements make the Mahindra XUV3 XO a standout in the competitive sub-4-meter SUV space, rivaling heavyweights like the Hyundai Venue, Kia Sonet, Tata Nexon, and Maruti Brezza not only in features but also in pricing and driving dynamics. In summary, the 2025 XUV3 XO isn't just a facelift, it's a thoroughly modern, future-ready compact SUV that raises the bar for what buyers can expect in terms of value, safety, technology, and sheer road presence in this segment.